Hello YouTube, welcome back to MK's Aviation. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of this package right here. I'm sorry I haven't really uploaded anything for a while. I've just kind of been extremely busy. I haven't even had time to put out a channel update or anything, so I apologize for that. As you can see, we did get jet bridges over there put in, so I've been working on that. Space is really cluttered. We got another model, Panda Models Southwest. I didn't really decide to do a video on this one just because a lot of people already have it. But yeah, we just got this box in yesterday, and yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it. It should be a really nice model. I wanted to get more of them, but we just got one in there, so I'm gonna clear off this clutter and we'll open this one right up. Alright, so we got the box open. This one is coming from Easy Toys. I ordered it as soon as I saw this model had come out. But just taking off all the paper here. Alright, so taking the model out, now it's covered in a ton of paper. Alright, I now have the model in my hand, and it is the UPS A300 by AeroClassics. Now, I have never, this is going to be my first AeroClassics model. I wanted to order a lot more of these since I do Louisville, but it was only one per person, so that is kind of a shame. Hopefully AeroClassics will see that they sold in literally like a day, so hopefully we can get some more of these. But yeah, I'm going to open this one up. Super excited. I've wanted an A300 for so long, literally. I've been watching them on eBay for like years, but should have bought two a long time ago, but I didn't exactly know what I was doing. But we do have one now, so let's open it up and see what's inside. And from first impressions, the model looks pretty good. No defects or anything I'm noticing right now as I take it out of the box here. Alright, so I just got the paper off it, and yeah, it looks really nice. Obviously, you're not going to have the same amount of detail as you would from Gemini jets or NG models, but still not a bad model at all. And yeah, I'll set this one down and we'll go into closer review. Alright, so just taking a quick look at the UPS A300 by AeroClassics. We can see that it is a decent to nice mold. Everything looks like it should. No printing issues or anything. Again, I wish I could have gotten some more of these, but at least I got one, right? So looking under here, we got, I think they're plastic landing gears. They don't tilt or roll or anything, which is fine. I'm not pushing my planes around or anything, so I personally don't care about that. So this one did come out in a release set with, I believe, a FedEx A300, two Frontier A320s or something, and then there was a DHL A300 that came out a little bit earlier than this one did. So yeah, everything looks great. I'm glad I could get it. Hopefully, like I said, AeroClassics will release some more of these, and I would be more than happy to pick them up. So yeah, that's it really for this model. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I do have like 7 models on pre-order, so yeah, those will be coming out. Again, I apologize for the lack of content. I've just been really busy. I work like 30 hours a week, and I really like what I do. I just it stinks because I don't have a whole lot of time to do other stuff, and I cut yards as well, so I apologize for the lack of content, but hopefully we can do a MK International update here soon with the new jet bridges and stuff, and then obviously I want to do a Louisville one with this model. So yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it. Oh, thank y'all so much for 200 subscribers. It means a lot. So yeah, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna try and do a better job getting some content out for you guys. And yeah, that's really it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.